Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett, known as the Oracle of Omaha, is not only one of the most successful investors in history but also a living embodiment of patience, long-term vision, and ethical business practices. Born on August 30, 1930, in Omaha, Nebraska, Buffett's journey from a young boy with a knack for numbers to one of the richest and most influential people in the world is a story of brilliance, simplicity, and dedication. Buffett was the second of 3 children born to Layla and Howard Buffett, a stockbroker and later a U.S. congressman. From an early age, Warren exhibited a keen interest in making money. At just 6 years old, he began selling chewing gum, Coca-Cola, and weekly magazines door to door. By age 11, Buffett made his first stock purchase, buying 3 shares of Citi Service Preferred for himself and his sister. After high school, Buffett enrolled at the University of Pennsylvania's Wharton School but transferred to the University of Nebraska, where he graduated with a degree in business administration. He later went on to earn a master's degree in economics from Columbia University in 1951, where he was influenced by the teachings of the legendary economist Benjamin Graham. Buffett's business career officially began when he worked as an investment salesman at his father's firm. However, his real breakthrough came after studying under Graham. Buffett moved back to Omaha and in 1956, established Buffett Partnership Limited, which was highly successful. In 1962, he began buying stock in a textile manufacturing firm called Berkshire Hathaway, which he eventually took over and turned into a diversified holding company. Under his leadership, Berkshire Hathaway transformed from a struggling textile company into a conglomerate that owns businesses across various sectors, including insurance, Geico, railroads, BNSF Railway, and consumer goods, Dairy Queen, Fruit of the Loom. Buffett's investment acumen made Berkshire Hathaway one of the largest publicly traded companies in the world. Buffett's investment strategy is deeply rooted in value investing, a philosophy championed by Benjamin Graham. Buffett believes in buying stocks of companies that are undervalued compared to their intrinsic worth, holding them for long periods, and letting the company's earnings compound over time. He famously looks for businesses with strong fundamentals, competent management, and a moat, a competitive advantage that protects them from competitors. He emphasizes the importance of patience, famously stating, "Our favorite holding period is forever." Buffett avoids speculative ventures and prefers businesses with predictable and sustainable profits, saying, "I don't look to jump over 7-foot bars. I look around for 1-foot bars that I can step over." Despite his immense wealth, Buffett is known for his modest lifestyle. He still lives in the Omaha house he bought in 1958 for $31,500. He drives an unassuming car, and his daily routine includes a breakfast stop at McDonald's. Buffett was married to Susan Thompson from 1952 until her passing in 2004. The couple had 3 children, Susie, Howard, and Peter. Following Susan's death, Buffett married his longtime companion Astrid Menks in 2006. Warren Buffett's fortune has reached unimaginable heights over the years, consistently ranking him among the richest people in the world. Yet, he remains one of the most charitable. In 2006, Buffett announced he would give away 99% of his wealth to philanthropic causes, primarily through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. He also co-founded the Giving Pledge with Bill Gates, urging billionaires to commit at least half of their wealth to charitable causes. Buffett's philanthropy has set a new standard for wealth redistribution, demonstrating that money, when managed responsibly, can have a transformative impact on the world. Buffett has been vocal about his political and economic views over the years. A Democrat by political affiliation, he has supported higher taxes on the wealthy, arguing that it is unfair for billionaires like himself to pay a lower effective tax rate than their secretaries. This led to the coining of the Buffett rule, a proposal for a minimum tax rate for individuals making over $1 million annually. Despite his political leanings, Buffett maintains a pragmatic view on business and policy, endorsing candidates and ideas based on merit rather than partisanship. He has remained cautious about endorsing radical changes to the U.S. financial system, preferring instead to advocate for stable, long-term growth policies. Buffett's influence has also extended into popular culture. He has appeared in numerous documentaries and television interviews discussing his life, philosophy, and financial strategies. His life and career have been the subject of several films, including the 2017 HBO documentary Becoming Warren Buffett, which offers an intimate portrait of the man behind the legend. In addition to his media appearances, Buffett is known for his annual shareholder letters and meetings, which have gained a near-cult following among investors. Each year, thousands of people descend on Omaha for the Woodstock for Capitalists, the Berkshire Hathaway annual meeting, where Buffett shares his insights in a folksy, down-to-earth manner. Warren Buffett's life is a testament to the power of patience, discipline, and a keen understanding of human behavior. His remarkable journey from selling newspapers as a boy to becoming one of the world's richest men illustrates that success comes not from chasing quick profits but from making wise, long-term decisions. More than just a billionaire investor, Buffett is a philanthropist, a thought leader, and a symbol of responsible capitalism. His legacy will be remembered not only for his financial achievements but for the values he has championed: honesty, integrity, and generosity. Through his investments, his words, and his actions, Warren Buffett has planted many trees that will continue to provide shade for generations to come.